And I love to mention that the system is not limited by the number of users it can accommodate. And that means kila mtu ambaye atakuwa na play part or role in management atakuwa na account kwa system. That is the next thing you need to do. You need to select the booking type. Are they coming under, actually it is even the meal plan, are they coming under bed and breakfast, half board and full board? Now that you don't have bed only, right? Which package of meal plan, what booking type are they coming in for?
How was the session?
Good. One word for me.
In one word.
For the first session, perfectly. Students are top notch. So the same is just to be expected in the second round or in the afternoon. So that is it. Okay, stay tuned.
So what are you going to cover?
Inventory.
And?
Only inventory.
All right. Yeah. Let's see how it goes.
Items must be categorized. The easiest one that is common yenye tumeona ama tumeinteract nayo kwa system sasa ni hizo vitu za bar. We have got gin, whiskey, beer, spirit, wine, all those things, right? Those are item categories. Because if I get to beer, there's Tusker Lager, Tusker Wort, Tusker Cider, Can, and all those things.
Oh my God, look at these. I don't even know what these are. All right. This tells me, indeed, I am in Mara. Just interacting with the wild. It's so beautiful.
Nakwambia means to imebakisha hivi, and that means you can only request maximally what is there. So kama imekwambia stock balance commenced to ni 30, you cannot request 31. So request any amount.
We are done.
We are done, and this is day 1.
Okay.
Naserian Mara Camp. I'll still repeat, Naserian Mara Camp, and it is JiPOS. So we're done with the training for today, handling better part of the system, ranging from inventory, procurement, reservation sales, stock controls, and all those other activities. So we are done with that. We're done with that. And we have bright, good students right here. Just want to freshen up, wait for some dinner, and of course look forward to tomorrow. And tomorrow what we have for these particular people is the HR components, and just a few recap here and there. I get a game drive and go back to Nairobi. Nothing much. So we are all enjoying the process. I'm glad we are all enjoying the process. And it is about streamlining business operations. If you don't have a system like JiPOS, then you are missing a lot. Yes, that is what we have for your business.
Day 2 or day 3?
Day 2.
You're live.
This is day 2 at Naserian Camp, Mara Camp. That is. We are all set for the day. It's a cold morning, chilly, let me say so. And we are set for finishing this today. What we are looking forward to do today is training on the HR components and on the accounting components only. Once you're done with that, we hand over, go for the game drive, and back to Nairobi on Saturday morning. Yeah, so that is why we are here, and that is what we are still doing. Looking forward to a good day. Keep it JiPOS.
Wonderful. Yeah, we are glad it is another new day, a day to learn again one or two in line with the JiPOS. And if you manage to look at the schedule for today, we are going to handle the human resource. Yeah, the human resource management. Yeah, mainly three main features here. That is core HR. Apart from core HR, we're going to look at payroll, and also we're going to look at leave management. These are operations that normally touch our lives as employees in any organization.
By something very straightforward. Because for HR to work, najua zile vitu zingine tulikuwa tunafanya jana mainly zilikuwa za operations of running the business apart from the employee welfare, right? Yes. So HR is just some history or some information about the staff. That is all. That is all in HR. So before I get started with HR, this is the this is what I'll mention, and this is the core of the HR component for system.
Yeah, it's been 2 days, thorough training, we're done. This is Friday, the 31st of October, 2025. Yeah, so we're literally done here at the Naserian camp. And one thing for sure, these people love the system. Of course, for its simplicity and for just the comprehensive nature of what JiPOS is. And of course, most importantly, the integration of different components of the system to address different needs or different operation needs of the hotel. Yeah, so basically I think we're done. Going for a road game drive deep in Mara. And the rest is history. Keep it here, keep it JiPOS always.